Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I've never done a video like this before, but I have seen quite a few other people do this, and I actually really enjoy watching styles of videos. So this is going to be a huge PR/blogger mail unboxing. I always have so much fun when I unbox them like on my Insta stories, but I figured I would share with you guys here on my YouTube channel and just share everything I've gotten. This is actually, I collected this over about a week's time, so I actually did not open any of these packages. Thought I'd get started. We'll unbox the first thing. I guess we'll start here with this bright yellow box. Okay, so let's see what we got. So this is the little pouch they sent, and let's see what's inside. So this is their Invincible setting powder. And then this is called the Glow Stick Sunscreen. That sounds really interesting. I can't wait to try these out. And then this is the Sunless Tan Healthy Glow SPF 40. That sounds amazing. I'm going on vacation soon, so these will all be like perfect. And then let's see what this last thing is. This is the Defense, or actually there's another thing too. Defense Refresh Setting Mist. That sounds amazing. Water and sweat resistant, so that sounds really interesting. And then, what is this? Is this another Invincible setting powder? Oh, I think there may be two different colors that they sent. Oh, I think that kind of like pops up like on a brush. That's cool. Thank you so much, Supergoop. That's amazing. And it actually looks like Supergoop sent another separate package, which is super sweet. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is their on-scene sunscreen. So, cannot wait to try this out. I'll keep you guys posted on everything. Alright, so next up, this is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is exciting. Ooh, oh my gosh, I wanted to try this so bad. This is their Hollywood Flawless Filter. So I've heard really good things about this. And then, let's see what this is. This is Lashes, let's see. Legendary Lashes Volume 2. I love trying out new mascaras, as you guys know. And this is Collagen Lip Bath. Collagen Enhanced Lip Plumping Care. Sounds cool. And then let's see what else. Eyes to Memorize Long Lasting Easy Color. Let's see what these look like inside. Oh, I think they're like little eye pots. Like you put the color on, it's like a creamy like eyeshadow kind of thing. So those look really neat. So I got two of those, and then what else? One other thing. And then they sent their Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight. I love their packaging on this, like the burgundy is very pretty. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, I always wanted to try this. So this looks really, really nice. They sculpt, like, so basically like bronzing or like contouring and then the highlight shade. So thank you so much, Charlotte Tilbury. That was really, really sweet of you guys. Oh, this one is from Dove. And they're sending over Invisible Dry Spray Antiperspirant. I've actually been loving like the spray deodorant, so these should be interesting to try. So they sent over Crystal Touch and Sheer Cool. So I guess it's supposed to be like, doesn't transfer any white on your clothes, so those sound really interesting. So thank you so much, Dove. Next up is L'Occitane. This box is like top heavy and I opened it the wrong way. So, ooh, these look amazing. So they sent over a box of goodies. This, what is this? This is their Water Gel Cleanser. Always love trying a new cleanser. Let's see, Fresh Moisturizing Mist. That sounds really good, especially for summer. It's like, it feels like cool to the touch. I think when you spray it, it'll be like nice and cooling. And then this is their, this must be like their new Aqua collection. Moisture Prep Essence. And what else? Ultra Thirst Quenching Gel. This is like a moisturizer. And this is the Ultra Thirst Quenching Cream. So this might be like another moist, like style moisturizer. And then, oh, I think this is like one of their perfumes. I always want to try them. This is, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this right. So this is Terre de Lumiere. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's in a really pretty pink packaging. So I can't wait to smell this. And then they sent over this beautifying body milk, which sounds so luxurious. And then the shower gel, like it all goes together as a set. So thank you so much, L'Occitane. That was such a sweet little set of goodies, and I cannot wait to try all these out. Up next is Sugar Fix by Bubble Bar. They always have cute packaging. And April showers bring new baubles, so they decided to share some of their new pieces in the collection. Let's see what we got. So if you're not familiar, they have like, Bubble Bar has this line called Sugar Fix, and they sell it at Target, so it's like a little bit less expensive than their regular Bubble Bar line. So they sent over some new pieces in their newest collection. These earrings are so cute. I don't know if this is focusing, but these are really cute earrings. They actually look like ones that I already have from Bubble Bar. So then these are these look like another pair that I have them in like plum color. These are really, really cute. And then I also got these hoop earrings as well. I actually like haven't worn hoops in so long, so these will be really cool to wear because I haven't worn hoops in so long. So I really love these. Thank you so much, Bubble Bar. Next up is wet brush. You guys know I love my wet brushes. So they sent over some new brushes and like new like patterns. So this is a leopard detangle brush. That's really cute pattern. Then they sent over a pink brush, and then like this little mini one that's perfect for travel. And then what is this one? This is the Shine Enhancer Detangling brush. Oh, that sounds really cool. And then this is the shower detangler. So I guess you just like use this right in the shower because it has like this like open area in between. So thank you so much, Wet Brush. That was really nice of you guys. Next up, Mark Fisher. I'm assuming this is a really cute pair of shoes. So this is what the box looks like. Let's see. Dear Karen, excited to see how you styled the Annie this season. So thank you so much, Mark Fisher team. I could always use a wedge. I love these wedges. These are like the perfect neutral. These are so cute. You take this off so you guys can see the details. So this is what they look like without the tissue paper. Aren't those so cute? And they're like a nice weight too to them. So thank you so much again, Mark Fisher. Ooh. So Artist brushes. Is it Artist or Artiste? I'm not sure. I actually have one foundation brush from them. And so they sent over this mirror finish one, which is really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Here, let me open it up for you guys. So this is what the brush looks like. Their brushes are so soft, you guys. So, love this. So thank you so much to, I want to say it's Artiste Brushes, but I'm not so sure if I'm saying your name right. So, but thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I really cannot wait to try this one out. So next up and lastly is One State Clothing. They sell at Nordstrom, and I believe it's Bloomingdale's and a few other like department stores. But I really do love their clothing line. And when they reached out to me to pick out a few pieces from their newest collection, I was so excited because I already like love and have worn their pieces. So I picked out a few. I can't wait to see what they look like in person. So first up is this top. This is seriously so darling. Oh my god, I'm obsessed already. Love it. Blue stripe. I picked out a lot of blue stripe stuff. This is so cute. Love it. Love, love, love. Then I picked out this jumpsuit, and I absolutely love it even more in person. Cannot wait to wear this on vacation. It has like this smock detail on the top with the little sleeve detail, and then like a wide leg pant. This is so adorable. Oh my god. And then this top with the bell sleeves is, again, super, super cute. Love, like, it's like a floral lace pattern here, and then it has the bell sleeves, a really cute sleeve detail. Love. And then this with like just destructive jeans, like a picture of this. And last piece they sent over was this really pretty ruffle dress with this bow detail. Isn't that just adorable? Oh my gosh, their pieces are so pretty. Love. So cannot wait to style this, and I'm sure you'll see it on my blog or my Instagram pretty soon. So yeah, so that is it for my PR unboxing haul. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I will continue to do them every so often, and I'll just collect packages here and there for you guys, and so I can share it. I always love these kinds of videos. So I hope you enjoyed it and got a few like ideas as to what is new and what just came out, so that you guys could try it out too. I cannot wait to try all these out. So thank you to all the companies again who sent me some items. It was very generous of all of you. And yeah, so I think that's about it for today's video. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.